Most developers assume loading an agent with every tool makes it powerful, but stacking too many plugins causes the entire system to slowly break down. Once Claude has access to more than roughly 50 tools at the same time, its ability to select the right one collapses. It starts guessing, grabbing the wrong commands, and your coding agent actively gets worse. We are going to bypass the noise of the massive plugin marketplaces. Instead, we are building a strictly curated, professional-grade stack of tools that genuinely earn their keep. Restricting the toolset keeps the agent's attention focused, maintaining its reliability as the complexity of your coding tasks increases. Before we install anything, we need to clarify the architecture. An MCP server provides a single capability, like connecting to one specific database. A plugin is a larger container. It bundles commands, skills, and sometimes multiple MCP servers together in one package. To manage these properly, step away from the desktop app and install the terminal-based version of Claude Code. This gives you direct control over your workspace using the /plugin command. Your first edition should be a language server protocol tailored to your programming language. If you write Python, you install Pyright. This gives the agent static type checking and intelligent completions, so it validates the code it generates before handing it back to you. Next is version control. You might be tempted to grab the official GitHub plugin from Anthropic, but there is currently a known bug that breaks it entirely. Relying on it right now will freeze your entire workflow. To get around this, generate a classic personal access token within your GitHub developer settings, ensuring you specifically grant it repository permissions. You inject that token via an MCP server setup string. If you are on Windows, standard inputs often throw an invalid input error, so you must use this exact format, replacing the highlighted placeholder with your specific key. Setting up this secure manual link ensures Claude checkpoints its own progress. If it hallucinates, you always have a remote repository to roll back to. For user interfaces, we add the front-end design plugin. This establishes an automatic design system directly inside the agent. Without this, Claude tends to spit out completely unstyled, generic HTML. This tool forces the agent to pre-select color palettes, typography, and element states before it writes a single line of code. To push this further, you can install the Figma integration, creating a direct bridge between your human designers and your AI coder. The most efficient workflow here is to authenticate your Figma account directly through the URL. This allows Claude to read the live web document, skipping the tedious process of downloading and parsing local desktop files. By injecting these native UI tools, you close the operational tab. The agent can look at a conceptual layout and immediately output executable front-end code. To handle back-end data, use Tiger Data. This connects Claude to its own live Postgres database instance through an MCP server. Connecting it takes a few steps in the terminal. You download the CLI, log into your account, and set your password as an environment variable. Setting that password variable works differently depending on your operating system. Mac and Linux are straightforward, but Windows users must use this exact $env syntax with a semicolon to successfully save the credentials. This chart shows what happens when a single-box database gets hit with massive time series data. Standard databases choke, but TimescaleDB solves this. Creating a hypertable separates incoming data into partition chunks, instantly handling millions of rows and increasing query speed. Giving Claude a live database allows it to move beyond generating syntax to verifying its own SQL schemas against real-world data structures. Even the best agent is limited by its training data cutoff. When APIs update, an isolated LLM will confidently output deprecated or broken syntax. You fix this by installing Context 7. This plugin forces Claude to search the internet for live, up-to-date API documentation before it writes your code. Finally, to connect your digital ecosystem, you use Composio. Instead of installing separate plugins for Gmail, Google Drive, or Asana, you connect all your accounts on the web dashboard and give Claude a single connection string. Routing multiple app connections through a single unified MCP server expands the agent's reach while staying safely below the 50 tool limit that triggers selection errors. That is your professional setup: a language server for validation, a GitHub token for version control, front-end design for UI, Tiger Data for back-end testing, Context 7 for live docs, and Composio for ecosystem access. The operational rule to remember is aggressive pruning. Only keep the tools you are actively using installed in your workspace. A generic agent loaded with random tools constantly misfires, but a strictly curated setup locks into focus, becoming an elite development partner. Mastering AI-assisted development requires building a workspace where every tool has a specific purpose. If you found this workflow useful, subscribe for more on high-performance coding.